Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com, the ArkleTexHomepage.com app, as well as the ArkleTex Weather Authority app that's available for both Android and Apple devices. Here's a look at, first of all, the weather pattern showing you the big upper level ridge, which is sitting here to our west across the southern Rockies. This ridge is expanding. You can see it's strengthening and it is going to continue to expand eastward over the Arklatex. We do have one complex of storms here which is moving through Oklahoma. It does appear as if this activity will make it into the northern sections of the Arklatex later on this Friday afternoon and should pretty much fall apart as it moves into the region, very similar to what we experienced yesterday across the Arklatex. Beyond that, not really too much as far as rainfall as we look at Robin started FUTURECAST here, moving through the next couple of days. You can see that as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. We'll see a partly cloudy sky across the area. Tomorrow, mix of clouds and sunshine. Nothing really too much as far as rain for your Saturday. For your Saturday night, we're looking partly cloudy across the region. And then FUTURECAST, not really showing too much for Sunday. Other models do give us a very small chance of a stray shower or thunderstorm, but most of us will stay dry for Sunday as well. Longer range, as far as the big story, it's probably going to continue to be the temperatures and that combination of heat and humidity. You can see lows tonight with the very humid conditions. They will settle into the mid to upper 70s, looking at 78 degrees in both Texarkana and Shreveport tonight. For your Saturday, daytime highs in the mid to upper 90s. How about 99 degrees tomorrow in Mount Pleasant, 97 in Shreveport, 98 in Natchitoches, 97 degrees in Texarkana. We do have a heat advisory, which is in effect for all of the Arklatex through at least tomorrow, as we are looking at heat index values across the region that will continue to surpass 105. You can see by noon tomorrow, we very well could be above 105 in terms of the heat index values, and you can see we could see that heat index actually surpass 110. That is something that we'll be watching very closely, as you may see an upgrade in the heat advisory if that indeed does happen. So that's something we'll be watching. Point is, be extra careful in the heat. Don't be exposed to it too long, and if you feel your body tells you when you're starting to react to the heat, so be sure to stay hydrated. Wear those lightweight, light-colored, loose-fitting clothing if you're going to be outside for an extended period of time. Now, longer range, as far as the week ahead, this ridge will continue to dominate our weather pattern as it will eventually spread more towards the east, as you can see there. As it does so, it'll put a cap on any rainfall probably through most of next week. By the end of the weekend, we'll see the ridge begin to move far enough to the north where we might see a few disturbances work their way basically from east to west across the Gulf Coast. That may give us a slight chance for some rain by next weekend, but don't expect very much rain. The main thing is going to be the heat and humidity. So here's the latest 7-day forecast, and it does show just that. Temperatures will stay above normal. Highs will be in that 97, 98 degree range on through the middle of next week. Overnight lows will stay in the upper 70s for the most part. Rainfall chances very slim. Might see the ridge far enough to the north to allow temperatures to ease into the upper 90s, or I should say the middle 90s by the end of next week. But the main story is going to be the extreme heat and humidity, which will produce heat index values that could surpass 110 as we go through the weekend.